Marhaba. Are you trying to learn the Arabic language but struggling to find the right tool and you don't know where to start? Kaleela is the answer. Kaleela is a website and application designed to fit any non-native speaker's needs to learn Arabic online. The app is available for both Android and iOS. Kaleela is specialized in providing modern standard Arabic in addition to the dialectal Arabic, or as we call it, Ammiya, in addition to providing grammar lessons and giving quizzes along your journey of learning Arabic. Kaleela comes in various languages: English, Spanish, Italian, French, Portuguese, Romanian, Turkish, Korean, Indonesian, and Chinese. With us, you will enhance the 4 skills of the Arabic language: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. And of course, expand your knowledge of the Arabic culture. All these skills will be mastered through lessons and practices. Voice recordings, transliteration, and the ability to record yourself. The lessons and exercises scale in levels, starting from beginner to advanced. Kaleela also offers extraordinary learning methods like teaching and memorizing information by building vocabulary gradually. Amazed yet? Kaleela includes a comprehension course that stimulates the students' ability to understand written and spoken Arabic so they are able to grasp the message delivered. Be modern, become fluent, and learn Arabic the right way. Salam.